What's up, guys? On today's video of Success series, where can I go for advice and mentorship? Well, great question, and I have to preface this by saying link in the description, advice and mentorship, that is something that I offer. Now, there's a lot of other people online that also offer it as well. But when you're picking the right person, you want to make sure that that person has gone through what they are teaching, that they're not just some fly-by-night company throwing some stuff up online and making it where it's just easily accessible and you're paying a lot of money, but you don't get a lot of actionable steps from that. Some of my businesses, I've had a lot of manufacturing businesses, done a lot of importing. So all of those, and that's just to name a couple, informational products online, the whole 9 yards. But this isn't about me. This is about you. I can only guide you to the right areas. So where you go for advice and mentorship, there's a ton of advice online. And that goes into part of your initial investment when you're going into business. You want to make sure that you research things in advance. There's a lot of things that are not out there that you may not be able to find, or you have to really dig to find those. Is your accountant going to screw you over? If you're not on top of them like flies on S, probably. That's something you need to watch out for. Are you going to run into legal problems? Always. Any successful business will run into some type of legal problems. You can have the most set in stone contracts and most inclusive contracts. And some of my contracts with Disney, we're talking 90 to 150 pages. Biggest contracts my lawyers have ever seen. Now, still, you could run into problems. We didn't run into problems there. Great contracts. But if you don't have the legal aspect put aside and put in place, that's going to be a problem. Insurance is another big one. I'll tell you right now. Advice, great advice. Make sure your insurance policies are in place. I don't want to cover too much in this video because this is quick, and I just wanted to talk about the initial questions that you should be asking. If you have questions, leave those in the comment section below, and I'll make sure that somebody on my team addresses those. On the next video, how well do you know your technical expertise and your marketing? Important topic. We'll see you there.